Okay, so once you get to the School of Global Urban and Social Studies SharePoint site, you go to Learning and Teaching, and when you hover over the Learning and Teaching title, you will come to About Learning and Teaching. There's a page dedicated to inducting new educators, and then we also have pages on Scholarship of Teaching and Learning, resources in the Scholarship of Teaching and Learning, and also our governance page, which is in relation to the Learning and Teaching Committee. So in terms of finding what PD, professional development workshops there are for new educators and established educators who might be interested in setting up their lectures and their tutorial classes, for instance, the best place to go is into the induction for new educators. Once you're here, you will see that you've also got some links here which will take you to professional development in terms of a calendar for that year. So there are two different links because one's from the college and one's from RMIT Central. Some of the activities here for PD may overlap, but either use the college calendar or the RMIT calendar and make sure that you're looking at this and coming back and revisiting as much as possible because PD will be advertised and changed on a regular basis. And so, for example, if you're a new teacher and you want to set up your lectures for the first time as well as tutorial classes, you can find information here by starting in the induction for new educators. We've also got a page dedicated to course coordinators core activities, toolkit for program managers, and program managers' core activities. So there's plenty of information here. It's just about managing that information and navigating it and knowing where to go. You will need to self-direct here and try and have a good look about where everything is. But if you have any problems after you've had a good look and you still can't find what you're looking for, then please contact the Associate Dean of Learning and Teaching at GUSS, which is me, and I'm happy to assist as much as I can. So I've had a question just recently come my way, and they're a new educator, and what they want to do is find out how to set up a lecture for the first time as well as tutorial classes. So this is a great resource here. There's plenty of information here. You can spend time having a look at that, but don't forget to scroll down because what you'll find is the information is sometimes it's there, but you just need to scroll. So yes, it is a bit of a scroll of death, but RMIT are really good in having lots of options, lots of information for all different levels. What is complicated at RMIT is knowing where to go and how to locate that quickly. There's always someone who's willing to help. You just need to reach out. Okay, so to answer this person's question, for example, they're new to RMIT, they're perhaps doing a lecture for the first time in a topic that maybe they're not familiar with, or maybe they're really familiar with. And also they need to think about what their tutorial classes will look like. So a good place to start is here, and you can have a page dedicated to preparing for teaching, feedback to improve learning, etc., assessments for learning. So there's heaps of information here. But what you're actually really looking for is how to structure and pace the lessons. And remember, these resources have to meet a whole variety of levels and interests and topics. So sometimes it might not hit the nail on the head, but it could be a really good starting point as well. So I hope that's helped in terms of navigating where to go for a particular question. However, again, if you have any issues or challenges or can't find what you're looking for, always contact your Associate Dean of Learning and Teaching, who can make sure that 1, the resource is available for you, 2, that you can locate it, and 3, if it's not, that we can then tailor that request and produce a resource that will meet your requirements. Okay, that's it from me. Thank you very much.